I'm very motivated by how large groups of people interact. I spent a lot of time the past 6 years working on educational projects at Berkeley and trying to apply physics to a range of problems from FBI related terrorism type work to how do we teach kids better. And so here, what I'm really interested in is looking at collective behavior of human organisms. So one of my favorite case studies is if you go into a classroom and someone pulls out their cell phone, for example. We all know that that is a distraction that is pervasive, that is going to spread, but how quickly is that distraction going to spread across the classroom? So with a mixture of video technology and kind of computer vision and a whole bunch of back end with statistical physics, we can try and look at diffusion rates of these types of problems. And there's already a lot of work done on bees, for example. There's a Nature paper out just last week from our lab. You should go check it out. And so I'm trying to take that work on other types of small organisms and apply it to the human domain. I think this is incredibly important because we live in an age of data, right? There's more and more and more data thrown at us. And so it's often really hard to figure out what is actually affecting us and how we as a larger group interact with one another. There's also something else that's technically very important, I think. And that's the idea of decentralized control. So blockchain has been touted now more and more and more because it does a great job of not having the control in one central place. And if you look at bees, for example, what others in my lab discovered is that bees react to the environment by talking to one another, not talking to the queen. And we do that as well as human beings. We make our judgments by talking to one another. We don't make all of our judgments by going back to the CEO of a company or to the president or so on and so forth. So I think it's really important to understand how we can make better decisions together as humans, as individuals, and as small individual groups as part of a larger cohesive whole.